I can't comment on that. That one, my leadership will be commenting on that. But the only thing I know is that I'm not being deployed by a cult. I know that EFF is a very democratic organization. I'm very happy. And everything, the problem was Floyd. Floyd was a big problem in the EFF. I can tell you right now, a divisive man. But I don't want to really get into that. Many of us are injured because of him. And because if you want us to speak, we'll speak. But we had to stay in the EFF because of the lack of this organization. I'm gonna leave it there because I just say good luck to him. But I'm in a perfect organization. I'm very happy. Whatever things that I mean in the EFF, we when we are there, I mean, there's some issues. They get debated. I mean, the whole day. If there's an issue, we debate on that issue. And I know that the top six will be there listening and everything. And all the position that we've taken, they'll be in the municipalities, they'll be everywhere. And whatever we need to do, I know there's a thorough consultation. And him himself, he was the center of the decisions that were like, taken. Now, when you're saying that it's a cult, it's a one-man show, I think, I mean, I'm in government. I operate, and there's no limitations. The leadership of the EFF, we get reports, we get accountability, and all of that. I think that is a coward. It is a coward. He could have raised whatever he wanted to raise within the EFF, but I would really that is my personal view. But I mean, I'm in government. I know that the leadership we will be conducting on that. But I know that EFF is not a cult at all. It's a very democratic organization. All you need to do in the EFF, you must work, and then you must account with the work. You must be serious about your work in government and in politics. When you're given a task, you must do the task. And I know that Floyd was a very lazy person. He says he has crisscrossed the country everywhere. We used to do the work for him and report to him. We're the ones who are doing a door-to-door buildings, these structures in the Eastern Cape, in OR Tambo, in Central Karoo, in the Northern Cape, whatever he was calling all those regions that he was calling Northern Capes. We were the ones door-to-door were doing it physically ourselves, talking to people, growing this organization. When he will come in, he will just come in there and just want reports and then intimidate you. After that, he just disappears. You tell him that, look, Chief, I don't have anything, any fuel or any place to sleep. He'll just laugh at you and leave. So there are many things that we can say about that thing. We mustn't let us to speak. But, we're just saying that we're just listening. We were fine.